Have you ever wondered under what circumstances you would give up your life for a family member? It's pretty dire, I know, but red squirrels have already figured it out, and it's surprisingly mathematical. But first, some background information. Red squirrels are frequently referred to as asocial mammals, with just 0.6% of all behaviours recorded between 1989 and 2008 deemed as social interactions, not yet associated with mating or litter behaviours. Altruistic behaviours, or the act of an individual placing itself at risk for the livelihood of another, has been heavily studied in social mammals. In fact, adoption, a prime example of altruism, occurs in 62 known mammal species. However, very little evidence of such behaviour has been documented in asocial mammals. The concept of altruism is closely related to kin selection and inclusive fitness. Basically, a red squirrel is more inclined to engage in altruistic behaviours such as adoption for a close relative or kin. In doing so, their inclusive fitness, or their ability to propagate their genes onto further offspring, is more likely. The rule states that if the benefits to the benefactor, in this case the orphaned squirrel pups, multiplied by the surrogate's degree of relatedness is greater than the fitness cost to the pre-existing litter, altruism may occur. The experimental method of the article was an ongoing observation spanning 19 years of 2,230 red squirrel litters. Only 5 instances were recorded in which a surrogate female adopted a single pup from a litter after the maternal mother had died. In each case, the surrogate was closely related, despite the probability of just 1% as opposed to non-kin adoption. Furthermore, in all adoptive cases, there was between 2 and 4 potential lactating females. However, just one had a calculated relatedness of above 0.125. In 29 further cases of parental death, no adoption took place. 27 of those involved non-related lactating females, and in the 2 remaining cases, calculations of Hamilton's rule proved that the coefficient of relatedness to be too small to satisfy the equation, and to thus offset any fitness cost to the natal litter. In terms of significance, this experiment provides valuable insight into the altruistic tendencies of asocial mammals. The concluded minimum degree of relatedness for which a lactating female will adopt, 0.125, and in which the benefits outweigh any substantial fitness costs, provides strong justification of the validity of Hamilton's rule. Lastly, an article published in 2014 addresses 2 further factors that influence altruism or cooperative breeding in red squirrels. These include the life history and social structure, as well as ecological factors that can facilitate lower fitness costs. Produced by Andrew Bork, this is a direct correlation with the original 2010 article written by Gorrell, McAdam et al.